Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. And on my phone you can see this very small and unique style digital multimeter, and the brand is CZDANG K8, and it's a smart digital multimeter with integrated test leads. And by the way, this thing is also rechargeable and you can wear it on your wrist if you want it. But I have made a full review of this thing a couple of months ago, but in today's video I will tell you the good and the bad things. Let's start. Where is it? Here it is. Can you see how small it is? By the way, this is the silicone holder, so you can wear it on your wrist. And that is the first bad thing for this multimeter. Holding or wearing on your wrist, it's not helpful at all. Believe me, I have tried. No, you can't use it properly like this. Let's just put it to be attached like this. And you need to, with this hand, you need to help to other hand so you can measure something, but this is very hard. So, using the multimeter without the wrist holder or silicone rubber, that is fine. Let's see now at the multimeter. Take a look how small it is. And I'm gonna compare to my Zoe multimeter. There is a big difference. This is like a baby, this is like a parent, professional baby. But this thing have some positive things. I forgot to tell you, the price is around $20 US on Aliexpress, and the link will be in description below so you can check it. And take a look how many functions it have. It measures DC voltage, AC voltage, resistance measurement, continuity buzzer, Type-C charging. Yes, we have charging port on the side. Type-C charging, data hold, backlight display, low battery warning, automatic power off. Also, it shows the temperature. But it says automatic identification, high definition backlight port. It's a portable. Yes, of course. Multimeter is easy to carry. And long press the backlight button to turn on the light. 2-in-1 designed for convenience, no more losing your test leads. Yep. One of the bad things about this thing is that you can't remove the leads. They are attached permanently. So as I told you, I'm using this thing couple of months and I'm very happy with the product. It measures all the stuff that you need, and the most beautiful thing, it's very handy and it's very portable. It's not big like ordinary multimeters. Take a look how the difference between these two. It's huge. We have only two buttons. The red one is for turning on and it's auto. I forgot to tell you that. It shows the temperature, and with holding the blue button, which is double function, hold and activating the light. Take a look, beautiful. And with the red button you can change to DC voltage, AC voltage, DC voltage measurement millivolts, AC voltage millivolts. Also it will measure the hertz of the AC voltage, which is pretty cool. And we are back on auto. On the side we have the Type-C connector for charging, and I'm gonna show you with how many milliamperes is charging the battery. Let's do that first. I'll take this, plug in. Oh, my cable is not. Okay, now we are ready. Let's see. But you cannot use the multimeter while charging, and the current is 170 milliamperes, which is perfect. That is a perfect for charging the battery. I'm gonna turn it on. Nope. Can be turned on while charging. Maybe it's a good thing, maybe it's a bad thing, I don't know. Removing. Turning on. Alright. And before I measure some voltages, let me share my coffee page. My latest coffee supporters are Nick, who is monthly supporter, Cyber Whiskey, also monthly. The new supporter is Terry, who sent me a coffee. Thank you, Terry, for supporting my channel. And this one is Gavin. Sorry if I pronounce wrong. He sent me 2 coffees. Thank you, sir, for sending me coffees and supporting my channel. He wrote, "Love your videos and joy you have in your work." And yes, I really enjoying in making videos. And that's it. The link will be in description below, so you can check it and maybe send me some coffees. Thank you. First, I'm gonna show you the continuity test. Take a look. There is a little bit delay because it's on auto, but it's working fine. Like this, no. But when you hold, it shows 000 ohms, which is nice. And the negative thing is it can detect very fast because it's auto. Alright, now I'm gonna hook up some volts. My power supply is set on 5.08 volts, and we're gonna see how many will measure. 5.12. Let's increase that, let's say, to maybe 12.38, and on the display it shows, on the display on the multimeter show 12.48 volts. Let's go further to how many? 16.98, 17.1. It's not so bad. It's working like a charm and I like it. I need to mention one more time. Take a look how small it is. This is my smallest multimeter and I can wear it and in my pocket. Okay. And when I first time reviewed this thing, many of you comments, please do not plug that thing into AC for measuring AC voltages. It will blow. No, it's here. I have a AC cord and I'm gonna show you. Come on, man, work. Take a look. I need to hold it a little. 49.8 Hertz, 238 volts. Working perfect, and it's measuring perfect. Nothing happens. There is no boom. Okay. Still is set on auto, and now I'm gonna measure some resistors. This one is, I think that is 470. What is show 490 ohms, and the second one is 100 kilo ohms. Take a look, 99.6. Perfecto. Continuity 000. Nice. And take a look how fast is turning off and turning on. Holding with one press it doesn't turn on. You need to hold it and it's ready. Beautiful. Also we have a hold button. When you measure, let's say something, no, hold, working fine. So what are the pros and the cons of this digital multimeter? The positive things are because this thing have a very unique design and it weighs only 86 grams. Also the positive thing is that it's rechargeable through the Type-C connector on the side. Also it have an auto function for measurement the AC DC voltage continuity test and resistance. Also it shows the temperature. But the negative things are that this thing is mentioned to be like a wrist, which is not good by my opinion. Also the leads are attached, and if you broke or you can't repair, you need to open the whole device and maybe solder some new wires. That is the negative thing. Also, this is not an industrial digital multimeter. The maximum voltage of measurement is around 300 volts. And also the leads quality is a little bit poor by my opinion, but that can be changed if you add some new leads. But as I mentioned, you need to open the device, and that's it. I hope you liked today's video where I present the smallest multimeter in the world. Okay, if you like the video, please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya! Baby, an adult or parent, maybe. Take a look how the big difference. It's handy. You can wear it in your pocket. Where you can wear this. Huh.